Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and fix an iPhone stuck on update requested. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First, I'm going to give you a couple of immediate fixes, then we can talk about the advanced fixes. So when it comes to immediate fixes, try force restarting an iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up and then volume down, and then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Also, ensure you have 5 to 10 GB of free space. Plug your iPhone into power to prevent the update from pausing. Also, switch to a different Wi-Fi or network, or toggle airplane mode on and off. Reset network settings if you have to. And the final thing you can do is simply go ahead into your settings and then head into your general. And once you're inside of your general, then head into iPhone storage and then find the iOS update in the list right over here. And then you can simply go ahead and reset it. Okay, so it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.